In this tutorial, I am going to explain what MOSFET is. MOSFET is nothing but metal oxide semiconductor field effect transistor. This MOSFET is of two types. One is enhanced and the other one is depletion mode type. Now let us discuss the principle behind the working of MOSFET. Whenever a transverse electric field is impressed upon a P material or N-type material, it causes the current to flow. For example, what would be the direction of the current? If you take the right hand thumb rule, when a current is flowing in a conductor in this direction, the magnetic field will be produced in this way, or else if the magnetic field is in this direction shown in the figure, then the current will be in this direction. So if you that is, when you apply voltage to this, as this acts as this metallic layer and silicon dioxide, and this N channel will act as a capacitor with this silicon dioxide as the insulator. As this acts as a capacitor, when you apply the voltage, it creates a magnetic field because it induces positive charge here, and because of this negative charges will be polarized here. Another point here is, what is p-type substrate? A p-type substrate is nothing but a primary material, whether it is p or n-type material, on which the silicon dioxide is fabricated. That is called p-type substrate. It is the primary material. In the enhanced mode, positive voltage is given to the gate, and here for drain also the positive voltage is given, and this is grounded. That means when you give the positive voltage, it is forward biased. And what happens if you give the voltage to this one? As explained earlier, it creates a magnetic field, and electron current will be flowing from source to drain. Then why the direction of ID, that is the drain current, is shown in this direction? It is conventional current. That is, it is always opposite to the flow of electron current. As positive voltage is applied here across this gate and source, the electrons will be flowing from source to drain, and it is called enhanced mode. That is, when you apply positive voltage to the gate, because of this positive voltage, more electrons will be flowing from source to drain. But if negative voltage is applied across the gate and source, what will happen? The direction of the current will be opposite to this one, and because this is N-type, the source is N-type, less number of electrons will be flowing in this direction. That means the drain current will be less in depletion mode. Then what is the main difference between depletion mode and enhancement mode? In enhancement mode, there won't be any channel between this source and drain. This is the channel. But in depletion mode, there will be a channel, N-type channel, from source to drain. That is the main difference between enhancement and depletion mode. Now let us discuss the characteristics. This shows the N-type channel, and this let us see the characteristics of the drain current versus drain source voltage. When the VGS is positive, that is when it is in enhancement mode, as explained earlier, the current will be more. So the drain current is more in enhancement mode type, whereas if it is in depletion mode, that is negative voltage is applied to the drain to source, what will happen? The current carrying the majority carriers will not be more, and as a result the current will be less in this particular depletion mode case. So this is about MOSFET. If you are having any doubt, please contact me.